Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video is about how to solve the Pyraminx. There are also three types of pieces here: the corner tips, those with three colors, the corner pieces, and the edge pieces. So now that we got the basics, let's go ahead and scramble our cube. Alright, now that we have our scrambled cube, let's go directly to the first step. The first step is to solve for the corner tips, and this is a fairly easy step. You just have to turn them so that they will be correct with their respective corner pieces: blue, yellow, yellow, red, red, and blue. So let's go ahead and do this for all four pieces. This is correct now, and this is also correct, and finally this is also correct. The next step is that you have to put the corner pieces, the corner tips, in their correct face. So if, example, there is a blue face here, the other pieces with the blue face should also be in the same face. So this will be your blue face, and then the red face, and you have to turn this once like this. So this will be red, and this will be green, and finally this will be yellow. Personally, I like to solve for the blue face first, so let's go ahead and solve for the blue face. This is similar to the Rubik's Cube, like where you have to put the corner pieces in their places. So let's start with the blue-red. We can just turn this here. So this blue-red needs to go here. We can put this down, turn this face to the left, and put this back up. And now we have our blue-red piece here. Let's go ahead and do that for the other two. So this blue-green piece needs to go here. So we can just put this down, turn it to the right, and put this back up. And now we have our piece here again. The final piece is the blue-yellow here. So put this down to the left and put it back up, and now we have solved our first layer. So there are many possible situations for the last layers. So the first one is that these pieces need to be cycled, so we can just do one algorithm that we did from the Rubik's Cube. So that would be R, U2, R prime, U, R, U, and R prime again. So as you can see, this piece is already correct. So now we have to do an algorithm to flip these two. So it goes like L, R prime, L prime, R, U, R, U prime, and R prime. This will either solve your cube or put this in this situation where these pieces need to be cycled clockwise, in a counterclockwise manner, I'm sorry. So the final algorithm to fix this would be R, U, R prime, U, R, U, and R prime. So now we have solved our Pyraminx. So that's all for today's Rubik's Cube video. What did you think? Do you have anything to say? Let me know in the comments below. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to know if I posted a new video. Thanks for watching. D.I.C.E out!